The Lahore High Court has not come with complete truth, I think so.
Somewhat?
Complete truth.
کیوں؟
انٹرفیئرنس کی بات تو وہ کر رہے ہیں لیکن کھل کے نہیں کر رہے.
نہیں، ان کے ساتھ ایک وہ لوور جوڈیشری نے بھی کچھ ریکمنڈیشنز دی.
That is very important.
اور تو چھوڑیں، ہائی کورٹ کے ججز کو تو چھوڑ دیں کہ انہوں نے ایک شکایت کی ہے. شکایت جو ان کا اشر ہوا ہے، ہم نے جو نوٹس لیا، ہمارے ساتھ کیا ہو رہا ہے؟ کیا اس طریقے سے انڈیپینڈنس ہو سکتی ہے؟ کیا آپ ممبر کے پرسنل اس پہ ججمنٹ آ چکی ہے؟ ہم ایک ججمنٹ اور دیتے تو کیا ہوگا؟ بالکل اگر اسی طرح ہونا ہم 10 ججمنٹ اور دیتے.
کر کے دکھائیں.
اس میں اٹارنی جنرل صاحب ایک بڑی اہم چیز ہے کہ سچ بولیں گے. یہ سچ بولنا ہماری ڈیوٹی ہے کیونکہ ہم آنسریبل ہیں اس ملک کے لوگوں کو اور آپ بھی ہیں. بدقسمتی یہ ہے کہ سچ کوئی نہیں بولتا. سچ سب کو پتا ہے، بولتا کوئی نہیں ہے. جو ایک بول پڑتا ہے اس کے ساتھ وہی ہوتی ہے جو 6 ججوں کے ساتھ ہو رہی ہے. دیٹ از، اور اب سارے ہائی کورٹس اس کو کنفرم کر رہے ہیں. دیٹس اے فینومینا. سو لیٹ اس فوکس آن دیٹ فینومینا.
ریڈ آؤٹ جملے پہ اطہر صاحب کے آدھے جملے پہ ختم ہوتی ہے. اصل میں سوال یہ ہے کہ کین وی کنٹین اینڈ ریسٹرکٹ دا کلچر آف ڈیویئنس. قانون جتنے مرضی بنا لیں، قانون اگر اس پہ
یہی بات ہے نا،
کسی نے عمل درآمد نہیں کر رہا تو قانون
بس آپ بنائیں پھر. میں آپ کو یہ بتانا چاہتا ہوں وائی از اٹ، یہ فون ادھر رکھ دو، اس فون کو ادھر رکھو، فون کو ادھر رکھ کے بات کرو، ادھر آ جاؤ ادھر بات کرو. یہ کیا ہو رہا ہے؟ واٹ سارٹ آف کلچر آر وی رننگ ہیئر؟ اس کمرے میں نہیں بیٹھو، اس کمرے میں باہر نکل کے بات کرو، یہ کوئی سن لے گا، فون کچھ ہو جائے گا. Is this a state? What kind of a state are we running? That I have to put my phone away, I cannot talk to anybody. اس کمرے میں کچھ ہو سکتا ہے، اس کمرے میں کچھ ہو سکتا ہے. What kind of a culture is this? So now that the case is there, let's sort these issues out. I mean, what kind of culture is this that I'm scared all the time that somebody's recording me, somebody's watching me? What is this? Do we read اب آپ پڑھیں نا وہ 1984 جارج آرویل کا The Big Brother is watching? What is going on? I mean, let's sort these issues out. Let's sort it out.
People has become very fearful. Can I?
We are under an oath. We have never cared about it. میں نے اپنا کبھی بھی نہیں کہا. But when the children's and the wives and family members data is stolen from the government departments, the immigration and NADRA, the presumption and entire onus is on the state. You cannot just make a statement that it is shameful.
No sir,
that is
crime, sir.
Listen,
A crime, sir.
people,
Crime.
it is difficult in this country to speak the truth.
A crime, sir.
Those brave enough who speak the truth, there are judges we know جن کو صرف کہتے ہیں کہ تمہارا بچہ فلاں جگہ میں پڑھتا ہے, and it's the state which is doing it.
You see now,
Let us be honest about it.
اس سے ریلیٹڈ آپ یہ بتائیے, آپ نے لاسٹ ہیئرنگ میں کہا تھا کہ 2016 اور 2017 میں پولیٹیکل انجینئرنگ ہو رہی تھی. Who was in government? Who was in government?
My lord, 2017 میں it was PMLN which was in power. 2018 onwards the PTI تھی.
ایک سیکنڈ. So the government was helpless? That is the reality.
Yes.
یہ ذرا آپ
Are you also helpless today? If you are talking about legislation, then you must acknowledge that you are helpless. The judges, they fear reporting because, my learned Attorney General, since the last hearing, what has happened to a judge of the Islamabad High Court, his personal data, which cannot be accessed
It's a crime, sir.
by a private person, was put on the social media.
Yes.
That is an intimidation. That is what affects a judge, and all those matters, mind you. My lord is on the bench. 2.5 hours of Judicial Commission's meeting. Each one of them was discussed. Even his green card was mentioned, and he was opposed by the judges from within and from outside because he was independent. Now, it is about independent judges. The internal problems, it is for us to sort out. It is the external, the state is to protect the judges and independence of judiciary. When it becomes the aggressor, which each high court is saying That is what is the issue. And it is happening. It is a phenomena that has happened for the last 76 years. And this is what each High Court is endorsing. It is happening today.
My Lord, if I may,
Attorney General,
just a brief response.
If somebody can impose their will upon this court, that is also interference. Interference can be from within, can be from without, can be from intelligence agencies, can be from your colleagues, can be from your family members, can be from social media, can be from everybody else. We will demonstrate by conduct with interference there is or is not. A judge's judgment and order shows, speaks, shouts how much interference there is or there isn't, how much independence there is or there isn't. So we don't take this matter seriously. Everyone may have a different approach to doing things. As we have ushered in, and I'm not responsible for the history of the Supreme Court, I'm only responsible for the day I became Chief Justice. I have gone ahead with an inclusive approach. First and foremost was the full court meeting, which had not been held for years. Is that not independence of the judiciary? Is that not undermining this institution from within? Do we have to look from outside? Then there was what we did not do. I'm grateful to the house next door, Parliament. They enacted the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023 because we had failed. They corrected us. That was attack was launched on that. So there can be no doubt, that there be no doubt in anyone's mind that we will safeguard the independence of the judiciary, come what may. But to hold those before you as responsible for the deeds of those who earlier may have sat in this court would not be fair unless we endorse them. We have also shown that when this court thinks that there have been wrong done in the past, we've rectified that. That has not really happened in the past. That is, things do not change overnight, they take time. And if we should work together to bring about this change. That's the important thing. Not just cast attacks from within, from outside. We come up with proposals, do this. Excellent, thank you. I'll certainly consider it, we may act on it. But don't try to pull us this way or pull us that way, because that is also undermining the independence of the judiciary. We had, on the very first date, convened and passed an order and had called upon each of the higher courts to give their proposals, and we had also called upon the Pakistan Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association. Now I believe there are a lot of persons who want to become parties. We'll certainly consider those, but anyone wants to make a positive contribution, they may do so.